There's like literally no way. I had it before.
This kind of looks like bread, like really yummy bread.
Hi everyone, my name's Kelsey. And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And today, we're gonna be attempting to recreate some of the 5-minute crafts that you see on YouTube. These are like compilation videos of really simple, I think, crafts that you can hopefully make in under 5 minutes. Some of them seem a little ridiculous to me. So we're gonna attempt to do them today and see just how easy they are.
Something tells me it's gonna take longer than 5 minutes because DIY tutorials, am I right?
So the first one that I'm gonna be trying to do is in this compilation video called 25 Cool Jean Hacks. I'm gonna do one of them and we'll find out just how cool it is. I need jeans. So I have these pair of jeans from the thrift store, which means I don't mind cutting them up. And speaking of cutting, I'm gonna need some scissors. The sharper your scissors are, the better it is to cut things with. Wait, okay, hold on. We got feet in the back pockets of the jeans. Guess that's what we're doing today, folks. Okay. I think I'm just gonna have to. Okay. Is someone rolling a timer? I feel like I'm already over my 5-minute limit.
Do you get extra time because of the hands though? 7-minute crafts.
Depending on hand type. So I think you just cut around the pocket and then around the size of your foot with some scissors. Guys, there's like literally no way. So, it's not freaking cutting. God, it's like anytime it gets to any thick part, it's like, hell no. Wow, look at that. It's coming together. Just gotta do it again. This is so hard. Okay, so I have my 2 little jean pocket slippers cut out. And I mean, yeah, that took me longer than 5 minutes, but yeah, they're really cute. Let me find out what I do next. What is that? Sticky foam? Foam? Okay. 2 sticky foam sheets for the bottom of my flip-flop sandal slipper things. I think these are sticky, so we can just remove the sticky back on them. Pretty easily, these backs come off. It's like I need a 3rd hand. No. Hygiene first, y'all. Oh yeah, working like a charm, baby. Oh jeez. Okay. Oh my God, my little fingerprints. Are you seeing this? Now we can put the jeans on the stick. It's important you press it down really firmly so it sticks really well. And repeat. Okay, they are looking great. Now it's time to cut out. We're gonna just cut out the extra foam around the bottom of the slipper. A hot tip, use the scissors that you don't care about because the stickiness might ruin them and get them covered in stick like these ones already are. Ew, gross. Don't want none of that in my life. None of that. Let's do this. Oh God. So the scissors weren't working out too well, which sometimes happens when things are real sticky. So we're gonna try good old X-Acto knife. It's a good alternative. They're sharp and sometimes work a little better than scissors. So let's give it a go. I know this is taking me much longer than 5 minutes. I would like my life back. 5-minute crafts. You lied to me. Oh yeah, baby. I think that's working. Sick. Get at me, 5 minutes. Haha. All right, so I have successfully cut out the bottom foam bits of my slippers, and honestly, like, truly a hack here. Slippers, are you kidding? So, I mean, the little pocket works as the top of the slipper, and I don't know where I'm gonna wear these, but I'm glad I have them in my life now. I have a pair too, like, holla at ya, girl. You need slippers? I got you. Okay, on to the next 5-minute craft.
Next up, I'm going to be recreating a tutorial from the video titled 20 Truly Fascinating Ideas to Try with Yarn. Something like that. Let's see how fascinating this really is. Okay, so first up, it looks like we need some glue and starch and water in this container. So I don't really know how much glue to use. I'm assuming it's a lot. What is this technique? This is called hotline bling. So now that I have my glue in here, next up we're going to put some cornstarch. What if this was already poured out for us in a container? Wouldn't that be nice? Wow, I'm basically Sabrina. Just gonna go for this. So now that my starch is in here and my glue, my last thing to do is add a little bit of water. Okay, let's see what's up next. Oh, she mixed it with a spoon, but I kind of think my hand's kind of like a spoon, you know? My nail polish came off in the water. That's cool. Next up, I have to cut some yarn. It's gonna go in here. I'm gonna use this mixture to help solidify the yarn later. I now have all the yarn I need in here, so now I can cut it. Now I'm just gonna go in there with my hands again and get all of this yarn soaked in my mixture. Next up, I'm going to need a balloon or a circular object. Honestly, they used a ball. I feel like a balloon would work just as well, if not better. So I'm gonna blow up this balloon to however big I'm gonna want my pendant length. That's what we're making. I don't know if I said that yet. There's the hair. Oh, good size. Perfect. Okay, so now all I have to do is the simple task of wrapping this yarn around this balloon. Psh, it's easy, it's fine, it's great. I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna love it so much. Just have to get the technique down. Wrap and roll, wrap, wrap and roll. Voila. Now we need to let this whole thing dry before we can move on to the next step. So I'm back and my yarn is all dry. Come back to me. And now it's time to pop my balloon. I'm a little nervous to see what happens here, but we're on this journey together. So let's do it. Headphone users beware. Wait, it like clearly didn't work at all. Like, what do I do? Put it on a light. Model it. Okay, so all you do now is remove your balloon from the string. It's still a ball, it's just like a deflated ball. And then the last step was to get a light cord like so. Add it to your light cord, your yarn ball, and then add a light bulb. Whoo, girl. Just I'll pray for that DIY for a second and move on to the next one. Thank you. Next.
All right, next up we have a DIY that comes from the classic 25 hot glue hacks and crafts, a favorite. So in this one, I believe it's some sort of hot glue gun hack with a balloon. But I'm gonna watch it and find out, and we're gonna attempt it together. Okay, balloon filled with water in the sink. Ew, to that later. All right, I have a balloon here. I hate the color of this balloon, but it doesn't matter because it's not gonna be an integral part of the finished DIY. Let's take this to the sink and fill it with some water. Ah! Is that a good size? Okay, so I have a little balloon here filled with water, like I'm doing some water balloon fights, but let's see what we do next. So we're putting hand cream all over this. This DIY is going from 0 to 100 grossness real quick. So got some hand cream here, and we're just gonna lotion it up. Oh. Ew. This is so gross. I don't think I've ever hated anything more. Oh boy. Lotion me up, baby. All right, baby, we are all lotioned up, slipping. What is next? We are hot gluing some sort of funky pattern all over this thing. All right, got a glue gun here, and let's get to gluing. You know, that's why they have stands on these things, right? Just kidding. Okay. Oh no, it needs to be reloaded. Okay. I had it before. Okay, so far so good. I think. Why is it a thing? I'm sorry, 5-minute crafts, but what the actual heck did you have us make here? It's like, okay, what's up next, fam? Okay, we cut in the balloon. We're taking the balloon out. All right. I got a bowl here because I don't want water everywhere. Little balloon egg. Okay, X-Acto knife in hand, and let's do this. Okay. Ew. It's peeing! Okay, after creating a tiny little fountain by accident, this is what our little glue gun egg shape thing looks like. And I gotta be honest, this looks exactly like the one in the 5 minutes craft video, although this did take me longer than 5 minutes. 5 minutes crafts, just saying. So the idea here is that you then put this on your light on your cell phone, and it creates this crazy shadow glow effect across the room. I mean, this kind of did work, TBH, although the process of it was quite horrifying and traumatizing, and I never want to make that again. But it did work.
So next up we have a tutorial from the video 42 Holy Grail hacks that will save you a fortune. We need these Holy Grail hacks, don't we? So this one is going to be kind of like a pot upcycle, and I'm really excited to try it. So let's see what our first step is. Got a pot, check. Clay, check. So the first step is to roll out our clay into log forms. Easier than I thought it would be. So I'm just gonna keep going until I have 3 of these snake pieces. Okay, and then we're gonna attach them at the top and braid them together. This kind of looks like bread, like really yummy bread. Okay. And then braid. How do you braid? To the middle. I just felt like flattening it out a bit. That wasn't part of the steps, but I think it might make it a little nicer, you know? Okay, we're just about at the end of our rope here, so I'm going to cut it off and move on to the next step. Oh, yeah! Shall we see what's next? Okay, we're gonna take it and wrap it around the pot. That's cute! See if we can make ours cute. Here's my pot, and wait, which side do I want? The back side or the front side? Front side, back side. I feel like the back side looks a little nicer. I mean, I don't know, but I guess we'll keep going. Step and repeat. With my braid pieces all wrapped around, this is my finished product. I actually think it's really cute. I think it has potential. Maybe one day I can aspire to have bigger hands and it'll turn out a little bit better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked watching us struggle.
And I'm not sure about that 5-minute crafts or any of the 5-minute crafts. You should subscribe to our channel for quality crafts instead. thumbs up. But if you enjoyed the tiny hands aspect of it, we can A, link the tiny hands below for you to check out on your own, and B, we did one of these challenges before where we tried to DIY with little hands too, so we'll link that below for you as well to check out for some more lols.
We also want to wish you guys a very happy new year. Happy 2019. Welcome to the new year. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like.
And if you love it, make sure you, wait, I figured this out last time. Yeah, and if you love it, make sure you sub it.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.